Hello and welcome back. So we understand from parent to child, and now let's start with child to parent. So you want to transfer data from child to parent, so child should have a data first, right? So can I go to child? So child should have a data, correct? So what I do, I'll take child specific state. I'll say let an array is equal to use state. In this, I'll take a message or just say author. So I have just taken my name. Okay, and let's take some name, state and set state. And also don't confuse, in parent also we have a state and set state, and here also we have the state variable can only access in the parent, this state variable only access in the child. You can't transfer anywhere. I mean through props and all you can transfer, but direct access will be no problem because it's a different scope. It's a different scope. Okay, it's a child scope, it's a parent scope. Okay. Now author having some state is having some data. Now it is child specific data. Child can easily display. How child can display? How child can display? Just say simply state dot author. Author. What happened? Author name has been displayed in the child because child specific data obviously child can display. But the thing is, I want to transfer this to parent. How? Yep. Remember, you want to transfer data from parent to child is straightforward. Don't feel I'm repeating again and again because I want to make you understand the concept. Uh, Parent to child is straightforward. Okay, just give a prop and it will send it. But child to parent is different, completely different. Okay, child to parent is different. Then how to transfer from child to parent is in the child, some event should be occurred. On that event, you can transfer data. Okay, I repeat, some event should be occurred in the child so that you can transfer data from child to parent. Okay, so what is that I'll do is, okay, I'll just take a simple button with the class name, some btn minus dark, btn minus something called one send. Okay, one button. So for this, what I do is I create a function. Let just say click button something. Okay, so what I do is on click is equal to click button function. Okay, so in this you want you can just take an alert, just say hello. So you got a hello. Okay, so you just taken one button in the child. You click on the button, you get some alert. So button also working. Okay, now here in this you have to send data to parent. Okay, now how will you transfer? Observe very closely. In the parent, in the parent component, child component is configured, right? You can see the child component configured, right? So you can provide a property there, it will work. But if you go to child, do you see any parent here? Do you see any parent configured? No. Then will you provide that property there? No. Then how can you access the parent specific story here? Yes, there is a way. How is, if you want to transfer data from child to parent, the first point is parent should have a function to receive a data. Parent should have a function to receive your data and make that function available to child so that you can call a function from here. I mean to say, in the parent, what my plan is, I'll take one, observe closely, I'll take author. What is that? Just empty as of now. And I'll take the author somewhere here. Let's like one paragraph. From child I'll take like this, state dot state dot author. So I have just taken an extra variable, extra property called author, and I have printed just for time being. Yeah, from child nothing received. Okay, just keep like that. So what I say, take a function that should receive a data. So let's uh, receive data is equal to one function. What it does is it will take some data. Okay, so I'm looking for something can be received from the child, so that can be received in this function as a data, and that data I assign to my author. How you assign? Set state. So, I mean, you have to call a set state function in this. You receive existing state and just say channel, or you say dot 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 state as it is existing state, and then author will be the data. Okay, so I have a function which receives something. I'm expecting it to be received from the child. So that data I attach to author and has been bind also, because I have to see what it is exactly. Okay, fine. So now parent is having a function to receive a data, right? So if I call this function by providing some data, it will receive it. But thing is, how does this function can be called from child? See, this is the function to receive data, right? But how does this function available to child is a question. I'll give you a hint. Parent is having some state, right? State dot channel. So parent is having some channel information. Yeah, how does this channel information available in the child? The channel information from the parent, na? So how does this is available in the child? Through props you transfer, right? Same story. Not only just a property, not only just a state, you can also transfer a function itself. Okay, through props. Anything you can transfer through props. Okay, so story is I want to make this. We made channel available to child, right? Through props. Same like that to make this function available to child through props, so that child can call it. Yes, this happens. So how to make this available to child is you make some property. What is the property? I'll say send data is my property. Value is receive data. Okay. See, something looks. See, receive data value. It's a function. Okay, of course, it's a function, but variable also. Yeah, that time I'm providing to a child component with a property called send data. So send data is not just a variable. Yeah, of course, the variable's value will be assigning as a function. Okay, now the function is available to a variable called send data. And how does the send data can access in the child props? So I'll say just simply console dot log of props dot send data. Let's see what is that send data. Okay, so back to here. I refresh. Let's go with the console window. Close all. Yeah. So when I click on the button, so you see what? You got a whole function. So what I printed? Props dot send data. So send data have a function. So that has been received in the child using props. See, it is received. If it is received like a function, you can call it. Okay, so how you call? Thing is props dot send data, where I'm gonna provide, because send data is not send data. Send data is receive data. Receive data is function takes some data. So you have to pass on. What you have to send first? Author name I want to send. And how you access author? It's a state dot author. I'm sending to this function, and that function will be received here, and from there here is calling and receiving author, and author name is filled, and same author has been bind in the parent so that you can see the transfer. So refresh. As soon as I click on the button, the story happens is this guy. Okay, you have a data in a child first, but that was transferred to the parent. Simple. I repeat. Um, if you want to transfer from parent to child, is straightforward. Have a prop declare and receive it. But child to parent is first thing is parent should have a function to receive data. Okay, and make that function available to child also using prop. So it means data sending from parent to child or child to parent both are happen through props only. It can be a normal property, it can be a function because function is to receive data from the child. Okay, in same story in Angular we have 8 input, 8 output annotations are there, but in React we have this story. Okay, hope you understand this concept. Okay, fine, and let's see the next video, some complex example than this. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.